How to change a Netflix Kid account to normal. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change Netflix Kid account to normal. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can change a Netflix Kid profile to normal. For that, you must create a new adult profile or add new kid profile with the higher maturity rating. Simply for that, you'll have to open Netflix app or you can open it on browser. After you open Netflix with your account, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, simply tap on your profile icon. After that, simply you'll have to just tap on that and click on the option Manage Profile from the drop down. After that, simply from here, tap on Add Profile. Now from there, simply enter a new name for the new profile. After that, if you are creating a profile for someone under 12, tap Child checkbox to limit your content. If you want to just create a adult new one, simply do not check any restriction. After that, simply tap on continue and you can as usual set any pin or password. After that, you'll be able to create a new Netflix profile on your Netflix account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.